The West End is one of London's most fashionable and energetic neighbourhoods, and as its name implies, it's located just west of Old Town London. Chic boutiques, cosy cafes and noisy pubs are set in centuries-old buildings that line the narrow streets. And everywhere you go, there are people out just having fun. Historically the preserve of the rich and well-to-do, the West End once offered an escape from the smog and crowds of industrial London. Nowadays, it's open to everyone to enjoy, and the trendy shops and eateries bring in a youthful crowd. The glowing billboards of Picadilly Circus are one of the most photographed sights in London, and nearby Trafalgar Square is a favourite meeting spot, with the National Gallery right next door. The West End is also London's main theatrical district. It attracts stage shows from around the world. The bars and restaurants along fashionable Carnaby Street hum with theatregoers and crowds enjoying pre-show drinks. From a once exclusive London getaway to a bustling retail and entertainment quarter, the West End is now one of the most popular corners of London.